welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing the mystery slime challenge. It's where I pick some random things and whatever I get is whatever I put into my slime. And I know there's pretty disgusting things in here. But before we get started, be sure to comment down below if you want a part 2 version of this. And yeah, let's just get started. So there's going to be a total of 10 rounds in this challenge. Whatever is in my bowl after the 10th round is what my result is. I don't even know if I'm going to get glue or activator, so I'm not sure if this is actually going to turn into slime. But let's just get started with round 1. Okay, so round 1. Okay, so, I get to put memory foam in my slime. Okay, so I have my memory foam right here that I use to make squishies. And I guess I'm gonna cut it up. Okay, now on to round 2. Oh. That's very suspicious of that little card to jump out. Okay, so I get to add dish soap. Okay, I'm just gonna add like a few pumps because, okay, yeah, that's quite a lot of dish soap, but time to mix my mixture. Now on to round 3. My slime's looking absolutely perfect right now. Okay, so the next ingredient I add is cornstarch. Okay, got my cornstarch with me. I'm not sure how much I'm going to want to add because I don't even know if it's gonna work. I think I'm just gonna add like 2 spoonfuls. Oh. Okay, I think that's a little too much, but that should work. Oh god, this looks great. Yeah, wow, best slime ever. Hashtag 2018 best slime. Next ingredient, round 4. Please get glue, please be glue, please be glue. Spaghetti? Oh my god. Okay, so I got my spaghetti. Oh. Whoops. I'm just gonna like start breaking small bits off of the spaghetti and adding it into the slime. I'm being very smart and adding all of it. Yes. Why am I adding all of it? Oh. All right. Oh, there's so many that fell on the floor, but I'll pick that up later. Okay, time to mix. Now on to round 5. I'm needing glue. Okay. Water, all right, water might work. So I have my bottle of water right here. Oh, this looks disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna drink this water after this video, by the way, but ew, oh my god. If y'all feel this is too disgusting, you can leave this video because I'm legit getting nauseous. Ooh, disgusting. On to round 6. I need glue. Okay, this is the one. Clear putty, okay, this might actually turn the slime into slime. All right, got my clear putty right here. I'm just going to add it into the slime. Okay, nothing's really sticking to it. Okay. I might need to add some more. This feels really weird. This feels honestly really disgusting. Oh. Ew, god. Okay, well, still trying to mix it. Oh, this slime is total disaster. On to round 7. Okay, still need glue. Yes, I got glue! Oh yes, adding in my glue. Woo! Got my big boy here with me, the gallon glue. Okay, so that should be enough. I'm actually more hopeful now that this slime will actually turn into slime. So I just remembered there's still that clear putty in there that's going to completely die. But yes, okay, it's starting to form into a slime. Thank God. Now on to round 8. Now I just need that activator. Okay, let's see. Oh, I get to add some color. So I'm going to make my slime pink because I just have a really pink vibe today. Pink, pink, pink. Ooh, I'm gonna make this really bright pink. Okay, this still kind of looks a little bit disgusting, but hopefully I get that activator that will make this actual slime and y'all won't be disappointed. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is a really pretty color actually. I like this. Now on to round 9. Okay, this one. Foaming soap, okay. Got my foaming soap here. That's kind of running out. I may have to refill it, but it's gonna make my slime smell nice. Okay. Just going to mix, mix, mix. Now the last round, on to round 10. Okay. Please be activator. Please be activator. Oh my god, yes! I got my activator! Oh my god, yes! So this slime can actually turn into slime! Yes, I'm so happy. This challenge is not a failure. Yes, yes. Oh, yay! I'm so happy. Okay, might need to add some more because it's pretty gooey right now. Yeah, I can just move that bowl out of the way. Okay. The slime isn't that bad actually. It's just that spaghetti that's in there that kind of makes it a little bit disgusting. Oh my god, this is getting hard to mix. Oh. Now the slime is at a point where I can start kneading it with my hands and getting the excess slime off of the sides of the bowl. So I can feel the spaghetti poking my hands. Oh. Well, the dish soap certainly is still snuggled up in that memory foam. So here is my finished result of the slime. It certainly isn't as bad as a failure I thought it would be, but it's definitely a bad slime, I have to say. So now it's time for some ASMR. Video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it, and turn on the post notifications to my channel to stay updated on when I post a new video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!